Hello, my name is Robert Ducker, and I will be your Client Services Manager for this event. This video will discuss Exhibitor badge registration. You will not be emailed a link to register, but you will be directed to register via the Exhibitor Hub. If you do not know what the Exhibitor Hub is, please watch my short walkthrough video on the Exhibitor Hub before trying to register yourself and booth staff. Once you're logged into the Exhibitor Hub, you will see a link on the left-hand side that says Get Badges. Once you click that, assuming that you are the primary contact, you will end up on a page like this. If you have not opened the registration portal quite yet, you will be prompted to answer 3 demographic questions about your company before seeing this page. Questions like if you will be attending as the primary contact, what your job title is, and your area of focus. This Get Badges link will only work if you are the designated primary contact in the system. If you are not, please reach out to my team. First, you will see a pop-up regarding inviting your business partners and customers. There will be a separate video on this process. On the left side of the screen, you will see several options in your side panel navigation. We're going to focus only on the exhibitor registration drop-down menu today. Let's start with the roster. The roster will show you a list of staff that you have already registered and allow you to edit or delete your existing badges, purchase upgrades, and retrieve visa invitation letters if needed. I don't have anyone registered quite yet, but I will return to this page after I register a test staff member. Next, you'll see that Register Booth Staff button. This is where you're able to register staff by simply asking for first name, last name, job title, and email. I will make a test registration really quick. I will select Continue. You will get a simple review page. You will be asked to agree to the terms and conditions, and then by accepting, you'll proceed to checkout. You have an allotment of badges based on your booth size. This just brought me to the roster, where now you can see that I have my test registration in the system. Here I can send an email to myself, I can edit the badge, there's that visa letter option, I could delete the badge, and I could also purchase items for this badge. Next up, you will see the Upload a File tab. This will allow you to download a copy of the staff template, insert the staff information, again, first name, last name, job title, and email, and then upload that booth staff file on this page. Next, you will see the Upload a File tab. This will allow you to download a template, fill out the names, job titles, and emails of your staff, and then upload that file onto the platform. After a quick review page, they will be imported into your roster. Lastly, you will see a tab called Previous Booth Staff. If you have exhibited with us before, it will contain a list of previous staff, which you can import through a simple checkbox. I hope this video tutorial helps you better navigate the SupplySide Exhibitor registration portal. If you get stuck or still have questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to our client services team at supplyside.custserve@informa.com or 800-927-5007. Thank you.